Hey guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. Welcome to another swatch video. As you can see, I'm going to be swatching for you guys the Mini Breaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's not a very big palette, so again, it's not going to be a very long swatch video. But yeah, I'm just going to be swatching these shades for you guys. I do have a video creating a makeup look using this palette, and I'm going to leave the relevant videos listed in the info card or in this description box down below if you guys want to check that out. It has 3 shimmery shades, 1 sequin glittery like shade, and the rest are mattes. So yeah, without further ado, thumbs this video up and subscribe if you haven't. And I'm now going to swatch this palette for you guys. I've started swatching shades now with brushes because that's typically how we apply shades to the eyelid. So I'm now swatching with eyeshadow brushes rather than just using my fingers. Sometimes shimmers might come up better with fingers, and if the time comes and I need to swatch a shade with my finger, then I will definitely not hesitate to do that. But I'm just finding it a lot easier and probably more true to color swatching these shades using a flat packing brush. I am cleaning the brush in between swatches. I've got my color switch right here. As you can see, some of these shades require a few goings over, and that's typically how we apply eyeshadows anyway. Don't be fooled by a swatch if you have to go over it several times with a brush, because that's generally how you'll need to apply your eyeshadow anyway. Okay, she's kind of taken her time to show up to work, this one. If you have a bit of patience though, you can get quite a nice opaque pink with that. But it's not as neon on the skin as it is in the pan, but that probably just has to do more with my skin undertone. There's a bit of fallout there too. So that completes this video, you guys. These are the swatches of the Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!